The Ant and the Grasshopper, book number 18. If you like this book, like and subscribe. The grass is green. The sky is blue. Grasshopper is jumping up and down. He is singing a song. He is happy. Grasshopper sees Ant. She is working hard. She is finding corn. Come talk with me, Ant. Let's sing a song, says Grasshopper. Work, work, work. Save, save, save. There is no time. Winter is coming, says Ant. Winter? No. It's a sunny summer day, says Grasshopper. Come work with me, Grasshopper. You need food, says Ant. Work, 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 she says. Save, save, save. Winter is coming. Grasshopper does not work with Ant. He does not save food for winter. Ant works hard. She saves lots of food. The grass changes. The trees change. Winter is coming, says Ant. Winter is cold. Grasshopper has no food. He is hungry. Now Grasshopper knows. Work, work, work. Save, save, save. And you will not be hungry. I hope you guys enjoyed this book. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.